Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to submit your timesheet in Zoho People. All right, so basically we're trying to submit a timesheet for approval. So what you'll do is just go ahead over to the left panel and click on Time Tracker. And here, as you can see, I have one that is draft. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on Create right here. Okay, and go ahead and select the period. Just click on this drop down. For example, this month. Okay. Clients, click on the box right here and select one of your clients. Also the project and the job. Okay. Billable status would be all, billable or non-billable. Okay. And once that's done, just hit on next. And here you'll have a form. At the top will be the total hours to be submitted. Add in the description if you want to as well. Add attachments. Okay. Scroll down and you'll be able to see the holidays. Okay. Hours worked and the date and the total hours as well. Now, when you go ahead and scroll down, you will have the total payable hours, which is this one, and the rate per hour, depending on your company, will be set in here, and the total amount will be listed in here as well. So once that's done, you will have a send for approval button right here. Just basically click on it, and after that, wait for the admin or the owner to approve your timesheet. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.